The Registrar-General of Corporate Affairs Commission, Alhaji Garba Abubakar, says the Companies and Alliance Matters Act 2020 will promote accountability and transparency amongst registered entities. Abubakar told News Agency of Nigeria in Abuja that the new act will promote the ease of doing business campaign of the federal government.
We have two new legal entity types. We have limited partnerships and limited liability partnerships. This has actually opened more windows for entrepreneurs. They have a choice of either to register a company, a business name, a limited partnership, or a limited liability partnership. We have a new robust provisions on incorporated trustees. These are the areas that some people say has raised controversy. There is a provision that talks about the duty of banks to notify the commission where the bank account of any association has been dormant for 5 years. For 5 years, this is necessary because in the first instance, these associations are not registered as companies. The income and property does not belong to the members or the trustees. The income and property is supposed to be applied strictly to pursue the objectives of this association. So there shouldn't be any reason why the income and property should be left untouched for a period of 5 years. If you have this kind of situation, the banks have a duty to notify the commission. And the commission can direct that this money be transferred to another association with some objective. After an inquiry, whether that association that owns this money is still carrying business or engaged in any activity, is still engaged in any form of activity. If there is no response from the association or no satisfactory response, then the commission can direct for these monies to be transferred to another association so that the money will be utilized for what it's meant for. And even where the association is being dissolved, whatever surplus income you have cannot be shared by the members. You have to transfer that surplus to another association with some objectives.
Muhammadu Buhari had on the 7th of August signed into law the CAMA 2020, which repeals and replaces the Companies and Alliance Matters Act 1990.
The law has now given CAC the power to suspend trustees of any association and upon interim managers on grounds of mismanagement or fraud or in the public interest or with a view to protecting the property of the association or ensuring proper application of this property. But suspension is not removal, and you cannot just suspend without hearing from that person. And the law has, under subsection 7 of section 839, subsection 1, the law has given the CAC the power to make inquiry. So nobody will be suspended. And the law has also established an administrative proceedings committee under section 851 of CAMA. The administrative proceedings committee is supposed to hear from any person that is alleged to have misconducted himself or to have fraudulently taken away the resources of the association. He has to be heard before any decision is made. And even where a decision is made, the board of the commission has to approve, and after the board has approved, the Honorable Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment has to ratify these recommendations.